Leh-Ladakh, where the road calls your name. Welcome to the ultimate guide for your dream bike trip to Leh-Ladakh. Ever feel that itch, that deep down rumble that only a proper adventure can scratch? The Himalayas are calling, and not by plane or train, mind you. We're talking 2 wheels, open road, and some of the most stunning scenery on the planet. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure through one of the most breathtaking landscapes in the world. Leh-Ladakh, nestled high in the Indian Himalayas, is a biker's paradise. Twisting roads, mountain passes that'll take your breath away, and a sense of freedom you won't find anywhere else. This isn't just about the destination, though, it's about the journey. And that's what we're here to prepare you for. Over the next few minutes, we'll kit you out with the knowledge to make this trip unforgettable. We'll cover everything from the best time to tackle these roads to the gear that'll become your best friend along the way. When to go timing is everything in the Himalayas. Right, first things first, when's the best time to answer this call of the wild? Leh-Ladakh is notorious for its extreme weather, so timing is crucial. You want to hit that sweet spot between when the passes are clear and when the weather gods are playing nice. We're talking late May to September, that's your window. Any earlier and you're likely to encounter snow-blocked passes. Any later and the weather can turn on a dime, and trust me, you don't want to be caught out in a Himalayan blizzard. June and July, they're the most popular months. The weather's at its most stable, the roads are clear, and the landscape is bursting with life. But that popularity comes with a price: more crowds. If you're after a bit more solitude, consider the shoulder seasons: May, early June, September. You might get a bit of rain, maybe a bit of snow, but the trade-off is that you'll have these epic roads practically to yourself. Plus, there's something magical about seeing the landscape transform from spring to autumn. No matter when you choose to go, always check the weather forecast before you set off. The mountains have a mind of their own, and it's always better to be prepared. Gearing up your bike and you versus the mountains. All right, let's talk gear. Now, this isn't about looking cool, this is about survival, comfort, and being able to enjoy the ride. We'll start with the bike. Ideally, you want something reliable, something that can handle high altitudes and rough terrain. A Royal Enfield Himalayan is a popular choice, but any adventure bike with good ground clearance will do the trick. Make sure your bike is in tip-top shape before you set off. Get a full service, check your tires, brakes, chain, everything. The last thing you want is a breakdown in the middle of nowhere. Now for you. Layering is key. The temperature can fluctuate wildly, so you need to be able to adapt. Thermals, a good riding jacket, waterproofs, packed for all seasons. A good helmet is non-negotiable, full face obviously, and don't skimp on gloves, boots or riding pants. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Other essentials: a first aid kit, a basic toolkit, a map, yes, a real map, and a compass. And don't forget a good camera to capture those epic views. Chapter 3. Now for the good stuff, the roads. Leh-Ladakh is home to some of the highest motorable passes in the world, each one more spectacular than the last. First up, the mighty 𝐾𝐨𝐵 La. At over 18,000 feet, it's not for the faint of heart. The air is thin, the road is rough, but the sense of achievement when you reach the top is indescribable. Then there's the 𝐶𝐭 La, another high-altitude pass that'll test your mettle. The views from the top are simply breathtaking, with snow-capped peaks stretching as far as the eye can see. For a taste of something a little different, head to the Nubra Valley. This high-altitude desert is a sight to behold, with its towering sand dunes and ancient monasteries. And no trip to Leh-Ladakh is complete without a visit to Pangong TSO. This high-altitude lake is famous for its ever-changing colors, from deep blue to emerald green. These are just a few of the many incredible places you can visit on your Leh-Ladakh bike trip. So plan your route, but be prepared to deviate. You never know what hidden gems you might discover along the way. Chapter 4. Now let's be real for a moment. This trip isn't all sunshine and epic views. Leh-Ladakh throws some serious challenges your way, and it's best to be prepared. Altitude sickness is a real concern. Give yourself time to acclimatize, stay hydrated and listen to your body. If you start feeling unwell, descend to a lower altitude immediately. The roads can be treacherous, especially after rain or snowfall. Landslides are common and some sections are barely more than dirt tracks. Take it slow, ride to the conditions, and don't be afraid to turn back if you need to. Fuel stations are few and far between, so always top up your tank whenever you get the chance. It's also a good idea to carry a spare fuel canister just in case. And then there's the weather. It can change in an instant from sunny skies to snow flurries. Always be prepared for the unexpected and pack accordingly. Chapter 5. So, you've got your bike prepped, you know the route, you're ready to tackle anything. Brilliant. But before you hit the road, a few more words of wisdom from a fellow traveler. First and foremost, respect the local culture. Leh-Ladakh is a land of ancient traditions and deep spirituality. Dress modestly, ask permission before taking photos of people, and be mindful of your impact on the environment. Leave no trace. Pack out everything you pack in and dispose of your waste responsibly. These mountains are a treasure. Let's keep them that way. Ride with a buddy if you can. It's safer, more fun, and you've got someone to share those incredible views with. Plus, if one of you has a breakdown, there's always someone to help out. And finally, take your time. This isn't a race. Soak it all in, enjoy the journey, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Well, there you have it. Your crash course in conquering Leh-Ladakh on 2 wheels. It's a journey that will challenge you, exhilarate you, and stay with you long after you've returned home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventure guides. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you've experienced the magic of Leh-Ladakh yourself. Ride safe and enjoy your journey to Leh-Ladakh. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the road that gets you there. Now get out there and make some memories.